Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of shoes that I've got on Amazon site. It was Amazon Prime Day and I got the Reebok shoes, sneakers, and I want to unbox. So the first pair I've got is, but I will return some of them because I'm not sure which one to keep. So it's the same model but a little different color. So it's model called Club C Extra Woman tennis shoes made in Vietnam. This one is in chalk and little bit green elements. So it came in this Reebok box and color. Let's open. So I'm not gonna lie, I already tried them on. So it looks like this. Had one before. Thumbnail. So it looks like this. I have these ones are a little bit like creamy color. They have like platform, maybe over 2 inches. They are made from leather. Here they are looking like this. And here I have green color here. And here Reebok in green. But this is like creamy. And Reebok on the back. Inside, this one is not made from leather, but from fake leather. But some parts of this shoe, like here, like small amount, and here they are not from leather, but just material. And here they have some foam inside, so the heel is a little more secured and easier, maybe better that way. So we are looking like this. A little bit remind me of Nike's Air Force something, but they have slightly higher platform and a little different. But they are also cheaper. You can find them on sale too, and when they reach even like $50 or if you some coupon or $40. And because I had employee discount on Amazon and I have also rewards on my credit card, that way I get them cheaper. So yeah, that's how they look, very nice. And see, they are a little bit creamy, especially the sole. Oh, sole looks like this. And when it comes to sizing, I've got them in size 10.5. Normally I'm 9.5, and I think they're a little too big, but I might keep them because I like little bigger shoes than too tight. So yeah, very cute. Like this. And the same model I've got also in different color. So I show you.
Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
Don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this kind of shows. Thank you for watching. Bye.